Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said up to the family them for know how them are going to protect themselves from COVID-19 like how school start back for face-to-face class. The Grace Kennedy Group are going to put in one COVID-19 vaccination policy for everybody who work there and all of them contractors. The police said them want everybody finna go on event where keeping a compound St. Elizabeth today because it go against the COVID-19 rule them. The Inter-Secondary School Sport Association, ISA, said them want some fully vaccinated people in the stadium this year for watch the Boys and Girls Athletics Championship where keep at the National Stadium. Now for the full tour of them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said up to the family them for know how them are going to protect themselves from COVID-19 like how school start back for face-to-face class. Mr. Holness said before this, the government better try keep the picnic them at them yard because them vulnerable in the society. But the Prime Minister said for get the picnic them back in the school at him number one priority because them future come first. But the rest of the family member them have to know how them are going to protect the older people them in them house. On top of that, Mr. Holness said the country can't go back to the no movement day them or lockdown days because this would have mash up the economy. The Grace Kennedy Group are going to put in one COVID-19 vaccination policy for everybody who work there and all of them contractors. Under the policy, come January 14, people who work with Grace Kennedy have to show proof if them take the vaccine to the company. Come February 11, everybody who work with Grace Kennedy have to be fully vaccinated or take them first joke against COVID-19. Then, on April 29, 2022, everybody who work with Grace Kennedy have to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 or do one PCR test where them have to pay for every 2 weeks. The police said them want everybody finna go an event where keep in a compound St. Elizabeth today because it go against the COVID-19 rule them. Yesterday, the police put out something so them know so the event keep every year and it marked the start of the Maroon New Year and all heap of people normally come. But the police are under the Disaster Risk Management Act, order number 12, only 10 people must die there. On top of that, the St. Elizabeth Police said the Ministry for Health and Wellness tell them so them not give them permit for this event keep. The police said them have beg the people them who keep the event for follow what the Ministry for Health say and cancel the event. The police are reported them lock up one member of the Taylorland gang who they on the run for 11 years. The man, a 40 years old Sherry Newell, and him wanted for kill Odarie Maitland in July 2011 pan Linders Road in St. Andrew. Some member of the SWAT team Specialized Operation Branch and some member from the St. Catherine North Police lock him up. The St. James Police are looking at the killing of one man and the shooting of one another man in Ocean Heights Tuesday. The dead man, a 28 years old Chevane Stevens, and the other man still in a hospital. According to the police report, around 8 p.m. Stevens did in Ocean Heights Lilliput when gunman run him down and shot him up enough time. On top of that, the gunman them shot up the car where Stevens did in. People call the police and them rush the 2 man go hospital and Stevens dead. Now for sports. The Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, said they want some fully vaccinated people in the stadium this year for watch the Boys and Girls Athletics Championship where keep at the National Stadium. Tuesday gone, one team from ISA meet with some people from the Ministry for Local Government, the Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation, and the Ministry them for Health and Sports. This year, ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championship are going to keep from April 5 to 9. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.